lying on Auntie Pammy. They ain't using that goddamn Keith injury as a goddamn way to get bust down.
Listen, y'all know I always yell. Don't ask me why I'm yell. I'm a loud mouth motherfucker. All right, I'm sorry, literally. Let me show you how literally I can kick you off the other side, bitch. Watch this. Whoop. There you go. Okay. That man said, hold on. Hold on. I think my, what you call it now?
Bust down. She got tooted and booted.
Head go right here.
Fall out with one of them. In the past, from the stuff that I saw, a lot of them he had problems with before, so I can't trust nobody like that.
Exactly. Hold on.
Internally, calm down.
He was mad about the
Not
boat.
so much for the Bigo stuff, cause I don't believe like me anyway.
That man was mad about the boat. He was
You told
mad.
us that you didn't want nobody to talk to these people because you was concerned about your safety. Now these people are on my brother's boat and they going live, and now you upset.
Ooh.
As of late, you know, you would know why I feel the way that I feel, and I think anybody would. Your brother in the hospital or going through something, and then people you don't know is in his house or on his boat, and the family see this. How did that happen? And then I heard a lot of people saying that that wasn't supposed to happen, and this individual wasn't happy because they went live and all this. Will, you told us that you didn't want nobody to talk to these people because you was concerned about your safety. Now these people are on my brother's boat and they going live, and now you upset. And these ones people that was enemies to my brother, and you talking about, or you could be saying to them, you don't trust me or whatever. Who cares what you say? That's why I be on.
He must talk about Miss White.
The whole thing is crazy. I wish it never really even happened that way, but that person is wrong. And that's why she ain't called me or said nothing to me because she knows she's wrong. And that's why them two people never even addressed me. I ain't seen where they addressed me once. I haven't
He talking
seen
about Tommy
nothing.
K and Scalp.
Anybody got the video, send it to me. Because I want to see what this individual was saying about me. Because I ain't even seen this dude saying nothing. Because he don't know me. He don't even know me. How he gonna say something about me and he don't even know me? And yeah, he's sitting up here saying that he a brother to my brother. Get out of here. You ain't nobody.
Ooh. Ooh.
You ain't nobody. Cloud chasing. That's cloud chasing. Y'all trying to keep this thing going without without
Shit, my admin.
my brother there. I mean, come up with your own material and your content. Don't try to use this situation to exploit it and try to build something off of it. I don't care if it is for a bag. All them baby mamas and two of them professional. Go out there and get a damn job. Go out there and put some money in the bag, get the family together, and we'll work together. See, if we say no, that'll be a difference. Then you go out there and do what you gotta do. But if you out here just doing whatever, and you ain't even called a meeting with the family and sat down with the family and said, this is what we need, this is how we want to take care of it, then to me, you wrong. Then you telling don't nobody talk to these people. They don't. I'm not safe and all this stuff. But we ain't safe either because they calling us too. And y'all getting the benefit of having a bag. We ain't got nothing. We just doing it off pure love. Shit, and we know what you doing with that. I don't know what you doing with that. Yeah, of course you go be there because that's the person who fed you. But it's your turn now.
It's y'all turn, Scalp and Tommy K. It's y'all turn. Didn't Keith feed y'all? So why y'all ain't feeding Keith? That man say Keith's brother was there for y'all. So why y'all ain't there for him?
They just
Y'all
trying to
should be
use them.
asking for donations.
They leeching. Why would I be disturbed or upset about that? Then you go try to close me out. You go try to close me out, so, and then try to censor me and shut me down. You know, that's crazy.
He talking about, he said the two other people.
I'm not dumb. I care for my brother. My brother looked out for me. He looked out for me when I was in a situation.
Hey, honey
He
B.
was probably the only one there standing up against my mom, standing up against her doing me wrong. Yeah.
Stepper, run me up.
I don't know what's wrong with this stuff, man. It's all crazy. This whole situation got me reevaluate my life choices because I damn sure don't want to be in a situation like this. I'm so grateful to have a wife. I'm so grateful to have a wife that love me, that know exactly what I expect to get done and know.
Okay. Yes, God, I'm finna read it now. Let me tell you, that man is hot.